Listen to me very carefully. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are hijacked. Every single day, your brain is being bombarded with cheap, effortless pleasure. Scrolling, binge-watching, junk food. You are feeding your brain rewards for doing absolutely nothing. And then you wonder why studying feels like torture. You wonder why building your business feels like carrying a mountain. Welcome to Bloom Within. Today we are stopping the cycle. We are not just going to change your habits. We are going to rewire your mind. We are going to take the pain of hard work and turn it into your greatest addiction. If you are ready to burn your excuses and rebuild yourself from the ashes, here are the 10 unbreakable rules for the ultimate dopamine reset. Rule 1. Starve the distractions. You cannot crave the grind if you are stuffed with cheap pleasure. Cut the endless scrolling. Delete the apps that steal your focus. You must create a dopamine famine so your brain becomes hungry for real achievement. Starve the weakness to feed the beast. Rule 2. Fall in love with the struggle. Stop running from the pain. The burn in your muscles, the exhaustion in your eyes, the frustration in your mind, that is the feeling of growth. Pain is just weakness leaving your body and mind. Embrace the fire. Let it burn away everything that is holding you back. Rule 3. Celebrate the grind, not the prize. Your brain wants the reward at the finish line. Flip the script. Tell your brain that the act of working hard is the reward. Be proud of the sweat. Be proud of the late nights. When you attach your dopamine to the effort instead of the outcome, you become unstoppable. Rule 4. The one more mentality. When your brain screams at you to stop, when it begs you to quit, do one more. Read one more page. Write one more paragraph. Do one more rep. That exact moment of pushing past your limit is where champions are born. That is where you prove who is the master. Rule 5. Silence the inner victim. That little voice in your head telling you it's too hard, that it's unfair, that you need a break. Kill it. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of your future. Take absolute ownership. Rule 6. Create your war room. Isolation is the price of greatness. Step away from the noise. Lock yourself in a room, put your phone in another room, and face your work. In the deep silence of your own focus, you will find a power you never knew you had. Rule 7. Visualize the cost of failure. Don't just picture success. Feel the agonizing pain of staying exactly where you are. Imagine looking in the mirror 5 years from now and realizing you wasted your potential. Let that fear wake you up. Let it force you out of bed. Rule 8. Stack the micro victories. You don't conquer a mountain in one jump. You do it step by step. Make your bed. Finish that email. Complete that 30-minute study block. Every small win releases a hit of real dopamine. Stack these victories and build an avalanche of momentum. Rule 9. Turn agony into fuel. Did someone doubt you? Did you fail yesterday? Good. Take that rejection, take that anger, and pour it directly into your work. Let your success be the loudest revenge. Use the darkness to fuel your light. Rule 10. Never negotiate with weakness. Motivation is a myth. Discipline is the only truth. When the alarm goes off, there is no debate. There is no 5 more minutes. You do not negotiate with the weak version of yourself. You get up and you execute. Period. This is your wake-up call. The world doesn't care about your potential. It only respects what you produce. It is time to reset. It is time to grind. It is time to bloom within.